So the next gun in the collection is the Ruger 5.7. Let me get it so I can get a good thumbnail. It should be good enough right there. Good thumbnail. But yeah, this is it. The Ruger 5.7. Most of y'all are familiar with the FN 5.7. Costs a little more, but it's a little older also. But this one is the Ruger 5.7. As you can see, come with the fiber optics right there. Let me see if you can see it. And it also come with, so you can put a red dot on it. I don't think I'm gonna put one on it. Even the back sights right there. Actually, you see that? They move. So you got to adjust them. They're not just fixed like so many other ones. It's got a good little grain. I mean, it's a little different than what you're used to. Let's see, nothing's in it, everything's good. Let's see. Real well made. A little spongy trigger. Yeah, I got that off somebody else. And then when I first got it, I was like, yeah, it's got a little movement, got a little play. But this is the Glock 40. So just for a size comparison, so you can see exactly how much bigger it is than the Glock 40. So of course it's a 5.7. Let me see right here. So these right here are the 5.7 by 28 bullets. And if you can see the difference between the 5.7 by 28, the 223, or the 5.56 with the green tip, and this is 7.62. I forgot what kind it is. Yeah, with the orange tip on them. And they're ballistic, but VMAX, something like that. So this was the magazine I showed you earlier, but it comes with 20 rounds. Look at it, look like crayons. Yeah, like I said, 20 rounds on each of them. On the Ruger site, no, it's F5 MFG or something like that. You got the option to extend the mag release, as well as I think it's a 5 round. So it actually sit like that. But they said they got one coming out in development for a 10 round. I'm probably gonna wait for that one and get that. I don't necessarily need the mag release extended, but you know, I'm not gonna shy away from improvements. But yeah, I haven't taken this one also to the range. Of course, do I have the snap bullets? I don't think so. But I mean, it cycles well. And even the takedown's a little different, man, but I'm not gonna do it right now. If you want to see a video of that, put it down in the description below. But I mean, front serrations, rear serrations. It's got the safety on it, ambidextrous. What else? I mean, ultimately, it's real good. Let me see if you can see it. 5.7 by 28. Real nice, man. Got the rail on the bottom, so you can put a light on it. Matter of fact, I can take this light off, put it right on there. But I mean, it's a nice one, man. This is inside of my hand. Like I said, I don't have small hands, so. But it's a nice size. You know, look at that. Look at that right there. But yeah, that's the next one in the collection. Let me put this over here. Take this down. They come with a good case, Ruger. I guess they like red. I don't know. Let's see. Now open it up. Come with you know, of course the regular stuff, but come with a little case. A little different from what cases you used to. You know, stuff like that up under it. But yeah, that's the Ruger 5.7 by 28. And anybody looking for ammo, good luck, buddy. I got about 100, I think 100 of these or something like that. I just looked up, you know, I'm lucky like that. But yeah, grab me some. And matter of fact, if you seeing this video and you're looking at getting one, and you know a place where you can pick up some ammo, shoot me the link in the description. Let me know. Appreciate y'all for checking out again. Like I said, this is the Ruger 5.7. You might not like it, but I like everything. That's it. Boom.